In this little tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make these adorable Halloween ornaments if you want to do a spooky tree. I got some of my supplies from Amazon, like the disco balls, and then this cute little party kit, which came with 4 witch hats, 4 cauldrons, and 4 little brooms. But I didn't like the orange, and I decided I wanted to put some glitter pink ribbon because really that was the vibe of my tree. It's black and pink. I'm using my hot glue gun to adhere the disco ball to the bottom of the witch hat, and just look how adorable these are. I cannot get over them. I've seen the little disco ball hats with the cowboy hats, but not the witch hat. So I'm like, okay, we definitely need to make some of these. Next up, we have these little brooms, and I didn't like the red string around them, so I just added some of that pink glitter ribbon that I got from Michael's. Now, one of my favorite ornaments that we're going to make is with the little cauldrons that are in here. We are going to shove a bunch of tin foil into that little tiny cauldron until it's completely full. And then we're going to take our hot glue and put it all around the top of the cauldron and the tin foil that we just put in there. And then we're going to use this really pretty glitter. It is called Darla, and it is a pink opal shard from the Glitter Heart Company. The pink opal aura crystals are from Michael's, and they are so pretty. I have so many projects that I want to use these on, but on each cauldron, I hot glued 3 crystals kind of at an angle around the top. And then I'm just going in with a little bit more hot glue around the base of them, and I'm going to put a little bit more of that pink Darla opal shard glitter, just because I just want the crystals to look like they're just coming out of the cauldron. And I feel like I really achieved that look with this ornament. If you want to make your own, you can get the disco balls and the witchy party decor in my Amazon store.